Hello friends, welcome to Perfect Classes. Today we will do first and second question of exercise 5.2 of arithmetic progression. Now the first question is fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is common difference and AN is the nth term of the AP. This is the table in which first question, second question, third question, fourth question and fifth question. These questions have different conditions. So let us start with the first question, that is, in this question we are given with A is 7, A is our first term, common difference D is 3, N is 8. But we have not given the nth term. So we have to find the nth term. The formula to find nth term is an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. We have to find nth term. A is 7 plus n is 8 minus 1 d. We are given 3. Now an is 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 and 3. We get our nth term, or say 8th term is 28. This is the answer. We write here 28. Now our second question is A is minus 18, N is 10, AN is, or we can say 10th term is 0, and we have to find the common difference D. We again use the same formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now 10th term is 0, a is minus 18, n is 10 minus 1 and d remain as it is. Minus 18 plus 9d. 18 is equal to 9d. Minus 18 changes to plus 18 on the other side of equality. Now we divide 18 by 9. We get d is equal to 18 by 9, that is 2. So our common difference D is 2. We write here 2. Now for the third question we are provided with common difference D is equal to minus 3. Nth term is 18 and AN is minus 5. AN is 18th term minus 5, and we have to find first term A. We use the formula AN is equal to a plus n minus 1d. AN is minus 5, A remain as it is, n is 18 and common difference D is minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to a plus 17 into minus 3. A plus 51 minus 51. minus 51 on the other side of equality, it becomes 51 plus 51 minus 5 is equal to A. We get A is 51 minus 5, that is 46. So our first term A is 46. We write here 46. In the fourth question, we are given A is minus 18.9, D is 2.5, nth term is 3.6, and we have to find n. Now we use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is 3.6, a is minus 18.9, n remain as it is, minus 1, d is 2.5. Now minus 18.9 will become plus 18.9 on the other side of equality. So we write here 18.9 plus 3.6 is equal to 9 minus 1, 2.5. On adding this, we get 22.5 is equal to, we multiply 2.5 with n and minus 1, we get 2.5n minus 2.5. Now minus 2.5 will become plus 2.5 on the other side of equality. So we write 2.5 plus 22.5 is equal to 2.5n. Here it becomes 25 is equal to 2.5n. Now n is equal to 25 divided by 2.5. We get n is equal to 10. In the fifth question, we are given A is 3.5, D is 0, n is 105, and we have to find nth term. So we use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An remain as it is. A is 3.5 plus n is 105 minus 1 and d is 0. Any term multiplied by 0 will become 0. So we write here 0. We get nth term is 3.5. Question second. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. In the first question, for the 30th term of this AP, we are given with 4 choices and we have to choose the correct one. With shorty, we have given A, that is our first term, 10, second term A2 is 7, and n is 30. We have to find 30th term. We use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is 30th term, a is 10 plus n is 30 minus 1. For d, we have to subtract a1 from a2. a2 is 7 and a1 is 10. We get common difference, d is minus 3. So we write here minus 3. Now 30th term is 10 plus 29 into minus 3. 10 plus, by multiplying this we get minus 87. So our 30th term is minus 77. As 30th term is minus 77, so our C option is correct. Similarly, for the second question, for 11th term of AP, this We have given 4 options and again we have to choose the correct one. Now for the first term a, that is also a1, we are given -3. Second term is -half. N is 11 and we have to find 11th term. We use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. An is 11th term, a is -3 plus n is 11 minus 1. For d, we have to subtract a1 from a2. a2 is -half minus a1 is -3. -half minus plus 3. We get 5/2. Our common difference is 5/2. So we write here 5 divided by 2. A11 is -3 plus 10 into 5/2. -3 plus 25. We get 11th term is 22. So our B option is correct. I hope you understand these questions. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel.